Good morning, students. So, coming to this next concept, significant figures. What is meant by these significant figures? Suppose I measure a physical quantity, मान लीजिए acceleration due to gravity small g. I got 9.89. Another student got 9.86. Another student got 9.85. So, these are the values of acceleration due to gravity. If you see this value 9.8 tak it is coming common, but here last digit is changing. So 9.8 is coming everywhere common, only last digit is changing. So these digits 9 and 8, 9 and 8, these digits are definitely known digits, and last one so they are estimated digits. So significant figures means the digits of a number which are definitely known plus estimated digit. The digits of a number which are definitely known plus estimated digit, it is called significant figure. So simply in the significant figures, so what you are getting, definitely known digits, definitely known digits plus estimated digits, so these things you have to understand. So all these sum of these definitely known digits plus estimated digits, so both of them were named as significant figures. So now here we have some rules. So how to find the significant figures? So what are the rules to find the significant figures? Rules to find the significant figures. So these conditions everyone has to understand. Here everyone can see. I will explain the rule. इसके साथ I will explain example also. So first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. What is this sentence? Let us see. I will give you some example also. You will understand. All non-zero digits. All non-zero digits are significant. Are significant even though it has decimal. Even though it has a decimal. So try to understand this thing. I will give you example, you will understand easily. 2637. How many significant figures are there? How to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. All are non-zero. Total 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures. Another example I will give you. 2640. How many significant figures? 1, 2, 3. The 0 is not countable. Only 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. Another number I will give you. Very simple example I will give you. Listen carefully. Decimal is there. I told you, decimal is there. 263.7. Here decimal is there, no problem. All are non-zero. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 significant figures. Okay na? So like this you have to find out. All non-zero digits are significant. Okay. But here देखो, suppose 1000 is there. 1000. How many significant figures are there? Only one. One significant figure. One significant. Try to understand. Second thing, here 0 is at the end, that is why I am not counting. But second rule, you can see, second rule, zeros lies in between non-zero digits. Whenever this 0 is in between non-zero digits, are significant, then they become significant. They have to be countable. So you have to count them. If zeros are at the end here like this, not countable, but here a 0 is in between them, you have to count. देखो 2604. Now check it according to this rule. 1, 2, this 0 is also countable, this 4 is countable, 4 significant figures. Next, 2012, how many significant figures are here? 4 significant figures. 2020, how many significant figures? This is countable, this is also countable, this is countable, this is not countable. So 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. 0 is lies in between the non-zero digits, then it is countable, remember. Okay na? So if I am taking decimal, then answer will changes. That is why I will explain separately. Third rule I will tell you. Third rule. If given number has a decimal, if a given number has decimal, point is there na, then 0 at the end is significant. 0 at the end is significant, remember. 0 at the end is significant. You have to understand that 0 must be countable. 0 must be countable. So example I will tell you. 206, sorry, I will take like this. 267 0.3. So check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures are there. But if you see 267.0, how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3. This 0 is also countable. 4 significant figures. Try to understand. In the subset beginning में 0 is at the end not countable. 0 is in between, it is countable. But if it is end में not countable. But here this 0 is countable. If the given number has decimal, at last 0 is countable. Check it. Okay na? So it is countable. Try to remember the rules. Next one. If given number is less than 1, given number is less than 1, it is less than 1, given number is less than 1. Less than 1 means pakka it is having decimals. Then zeros to the immediate left and right of decimal are significant, are not significant. This sentence you have to understand. Not significant. What is this rule you have to understand? Given number is less than 1 means 0 point something like that. So zeros to the left of decimal, right of decimal, immediate zeros, they are not significant. I will give you best example. Everyone has to remember. 0.073. How many significant figures are there? This is a decimal. Left side 0 not countable, right side 0 not countable. 7 is countable, 3 is countable. Answer is 2 significant figures. समझ गए ना ये sentence? Suppose 0.0730. Tell me anyone, how many significant figures are there? This 0 not countable, this 0 not countable, 7 countable, 3 countable. What about this 0? It is having decimal na? If decimal is there, सबसे last वाला 0 countable. So 3 significant figures. One simple point I will tell you. If decimal is there, last 0 is countable. Whether it is more than 1, whether it is less than 1, leave it, no problem. If decimal is there, last 0 is countable. If decimal is there, last 0 is countable. But here decimal is there, immediate left and right zeros are not countable. I will give you so many examples if you want like this. So remember. Next. Try to understand. If you want, I will give you one more example also. Check it. Basing on this thing. See. 0. 0703. Tell me. और एक जीरो लगा दो इधर. This zero not countable, this zero not countable, 7 countable, 0 countable, 3 countable, and 0 also countable. Decimal is there, no last 0 countable. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. 4 significant. So this is the example you have to understand. Last one. Powers of 10 are not significant. Powers of 10 are not significant. They are not significant. Example क्या है everyone? Best example 6.023 into 10 power of 23 Avogadro number. How many significant figures? Normally this is decimal, it is more than 1. 6 is significant, 0, 2 and 3, these are significant. But powers of 10 are not significant. Total don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures is the answer. 4 significant figures. समझ गए ना sentence? Try to understand. Powers of 10 were not significant like this. Okay. So these are the examples to find the significant figures. Okay. One more example also I will give you. Simplest example 2.64 into 10 power 24. 2 is countable, 6 is countable, 4 is countable, this is not countable. Answer is 3 significant figures. So try to understand this model. Okay. Now rounding off the numbers, rounding off the uncertain digits, rounding off the uncertain digits. Uncertain means unnecessary. So try to understand. I think some points I think maybe you know. So rounding off the uncertain digits. What is this rounding off? Rounding off means approximately we are writing the given number using significant figures. So to understand this concept already, this significant figures concept already you have to keep in mind. If you forget this significant figures, rounding off also mushkil aapka. Listen carefully here. 3 rules are there. Again, rounding off. Okay, once again I am saying rounding off means a process of omitting of non-significant digits. It is called rounding off. So here also some rules are there. क्या rules इधर? Check it carefully. Rules. First one, if the immediate significant digit to be dropped is more than 5. Try to understand. I will give you examples. The digit to be dropped is more than 5. Which one I am dropping? If it is more than 5, then preceding digit should be increased by 1. It should be raised by 1. Listen carefully. Preceding digit should be raised by 1. Examples, try to understand. This one carefully. 3 rules are there. First rule it is. देखो question they will mention very perfectly, very nicely. 2637 is rounded off to 3 significant figures. So उन लोगों को कितना significant figure चाहिए? उन लोगों का only 3 चाहिए. Originally इसमें how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures are there. इसमें 4 significant figures are there, but they want only 3 significant figures. So इसमें यहाँ से you have to count. It should be there. This is they are not asking. 2637 में 2 must be there, 6 must, यहाँ से काउंट करना पड़ेगा. It should be there, 6 should be there, 3 should be there. So 7 is significant, but they are asking only 3 digits. So this is 7 has to be deleted. How to delete? Listen carefully. The digit to be dropped is more than 5. So 7 I am dropping, it is more than 5. If it is more than 5, preceding digit is raised by 1. Like 2, 6, preceding is raised by 1, means 4. So now you have to drop it. Drop it means, can I write like this? No, you have to write 0 also. Drop the digit you deleted, na, so omitted. In that place you have to write 0. Otherwise, if you will not write this 0, na, so you will understand one funny thing. 2637 rupees. Suppose it is rupees, you can imagine. 2637 nearly equal to 64. Is it possible? Not possible. That means 2637 rupees roughly equal to 2640 rupees. So it may be possible. So 0 must be there. 0 must be there. But one more example I will give you. This example every student will do mistake. 263.7 is rounded off to 3 significant figures. Rounded off to 3 significant figures. So what is the answer? 2 must be there, 6 must be there, 3 must be there. This is 7 is not necessary. 7 is not necessary. 263.7 roughly. This is 7 is not necessary. I want to delete this thing. How to delete this thing? Again it is the dropped digit is more than 5. Preceding is raised by 1. So 3 becomes 4. 264. Okay na? Sir, this is 7 I am deleting. So point is there, I will write point. In place of 7 I will write 0 also. Like previous question. Then is it correct? Everyone tell me. It is the wrong. Why it is wrong here? It is wrong here. The reason they are asking 3 significant figures. But आपका कितना मिल गया? 1, 2, 3. This 0 is also countable na? Don't write 0 here. This is the sentence important. Now you would understand 263.7 rupee roughly equal to 264 rupees. 263.7 rupee roughly equal to 64. Now समझ गए ना? Whenever decimal is there, don't put 0. Whenever decimal is there, don't put 0. Now you understand. If decimal is not there, you have to write. So this logic you have to understand. So the digit to be dropped is more than 5. Which one you are dropping? If it is more than 5, preceding is raised by 1. Now reverse. If it is less than 1, what will happen? The digit to be dropped is less than 1. What will happen? The digit to be dropped is less than 1. The digit to be dropped is less than 5, not 1. If it is less than 5, then don't change preceding digit. Preceding digit can be left. Bas, just leave it. Don't change any change. Don't make any changes in the preceding digit. Just left it. So previously I am saying raised by 1. Now don't change anything. Like this is the thing. 2673 is rounded off to 3 significant figures. Rounded off to 3 significant figures. उन लोगों का 3 significant figures चाहिए. 2673 1 2 3 यहाँ तक it should be there. Extra count है here 3 count 3 extra. This 3 has to be rounded off. So how to round off? This is less than 5. So preceding is no change. What you have to write? 267. In place of 3, what you have to write? 0. समझ गए ना? Similarly, 267.3 is rounded off to 3 significant figures. Rounded off to 3 significant figures. 267.3 roughly equal to, again I am saying this 3 you are dropping, this 267 must be there, 3 is dropped if it is less than 5, so preceding no change. This is 267. Don't write decimal, don't write 0 also, so you will get mistake. Don't write decimal, don't write 0 also. So this is your answer. Now the third rule is, in third rule again 2 subpoints are there. Third rule again 2 subpoints. Sir, the digit to be dropped is equal to 5, then what will happen? The digit to be dropped is equal to 5. Drop digit is 5. Then इसमें 2 points होता है. The digit to be dropped is 5. इसमें 2 conditions. So first condition once again, if preceding digit is odd, you are dropping 5 na, equal to 5 na, so preceding is, if preceding digit is odd, then that preceding digit should be, it means that preceding digit, it should be raised by 1. It should be raised by 1. Try to understand this thing. See, I will explain. 2635 rounded off to 3 significant figures. I need only 3 significant figures. So 2, 1, 2, 3 इधर तक चाहिए. Sorry. This is 3 and this is 5. 2635. 2635. So I don't want this 5, but I told you it is equal to 5 na. It is equal to 5 na. Drop digit is equal to 5. Drop digit is equal to 5. Then preceding digit should be increased by 1. So 2635 roughly equal to 26. Preceding is increased by 1. 4. What I have to write in place of 5, I can write 0. Okay na. So 264, 3 significant figures. 0 is not countable na. So 2635 roughly equal to 2640. The digit to be dropped is more than 5. Preceding is increased by 1. Less than 5, no change. Equal to 5, preceding is odd, raised by 1. Suppose preceding is even. If preceding digit is even, if preceding digit is even number, then no change. Don't change anything. No change. Just left. Just no change. So see here, 2365 is rounded off to 3 significant figures. I am asking 3 significant figures. Nice. Okay. So 2, 3, 6. 3 digits chahiye. I don't want this 5. So the digit to be dropped is exactly 5. 2, 3, 6, 5. This 5 I want to drop. So I told you it is exactly 5. Preceding is even. Check it. 6 na. 6 is even number. So what you have to do? No change. 2, 3, 6. What you have to write? 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. So the digit to be dropped is 5. Preceding is even. So no change. Just left it. 2, 3, 6, 0. 0 must be there na. So this is the rounding off. I think you understand. If it is the digit to be dropped is more than 1, preceding must be increased by 1. If the digit to be dropped is less than 1, preceding no change. The digit to be dropped is equal to 5. Again 2 conditions you have to see. Preceding is odd, so it should be raised by 1. If preceding is even, no change. So try to understand these examples. So many examples we can see like this.